What's up, guys? I'm Robert Drake, and so today we are taking a look into the Kato maxi Gunderson well cars for a review today. Just for a disclaimer, I am no one for Kato. I'm not getting paid for this. And now that we have that out of the way, we can start with the unboxing. We can pull, let's just lift this up to uncover the well cars themselves. There's a plastic piece over the top of them, and this is just to keep them in place. We'll just pull them out one by one. We'll just set that one there, that one there, and the last one. Okay, so we're just going to set that to the side. Now I want to take out styrofoam. Right there. Okay, so so let's take some look into some of the detail on these cars. They are very heavy cars. These are the new logo for TTX. B. This is the B car. That was a B car. And I'll reroll it. I'll copy it right quick. Now we're going to look at the C car. Reason why they go C or B, C, A, I have no idea, but that's how it is. We've got a truck, some grab irons, and some walkways there. And we have the connection hole for the pin for the connection here. You just lift up on the truck or on here like that, and it'll just sit down on like that. So this is the A car. Still 53. A DDTX. We have TTX right there, but we got DDX, DTTX, and same thing to hook it. If you guys didn't see, just hook it up right here. I'm trying to do this while I'm watching it on camera. Okay, now we can load her up with some double stacks. I'm going to now show you how much gap is between the car and the container. This will really show you how much gap is between the 43 footers and the 54 footers. There's a lot of gap. If we slide it all the way up, there's even more in the rear end. If we just put it here in the middle, it's okay, but that's not prototypical. I like to run the 43 footers, but I like to run the 55 footers on the bottom too. So now let's get into it. Now I do want to say I'm running a mixed freight train with the intermodal cars right now because I don't have a total intermodal train. So don't freak out on me. Life is okay, so just deal with it. review of the Kato Gunderson maxi cars. I hope you enjoyed that review. If you liked that review, give it a thumbs up. If there was something I got wrong during the review, just tell me in the comments below. Put it in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. We're sitting at 20 subscribers. My YouTube channel from 2018 has blown up. So, I'm Robert Drake, and I will see you next time.